Ryder have enjoyed a great relationship with NBS over many decades. We were an early adopter of the specification writing tool, and we have assisted in the development of the digital aspects such as the specification manager software, right the way through to NBS Building, NBS Create and NBS Chorus.
With NBS Chorus, because it's a cloud-based system, consultants and even people working remotely from Ryder can all work on the same specification and play a part in its development and edit it and kind of add to that specification, kind of regardless of where you're located, and that's invaluable to us.
But technology allows Ryder to deliver something much more efficient and much more cost-effective for a client. It allows us to streamline our design processes and cut out a lot of the issues that are brought about by analog systems. So we are able to be much more collaborative, be much more cost-effective, and deliver something that appeals to our ethos of everything architecture.
I think the main benefits that NBS Chorus brings is that kind of standardization in the specification, that consistency and kind of the quality that brings with it. If we were to just draft specifications in Word, would be massively increasing the risk and the liability there. Things would be missed. It'd be harder to capture lessons learned. All has a knock-on effect on the quality of the end product. Having that consistency reduces that risk, and it ensures a better quality product for the client, but also reduces the risk of everyone involved, from us to the contractor.
More often than not, if we're seeing any defects as we're going around on site, then we consult the specification almost in the first instance to make sure that we have robustly outlined the correct method of working and the correct workmanship clauses in there. And more often than not, if there is a defect that we find on site, we can pinpoint the area where potentially it hasn't been carried out in the right manner, which is defined in our specification.
Back when we used to use NBS Building, I know we still had the links to individual manufacturers who were kind of involved with NBS and had all their information embedded. That made drafting specifications much simpler, more straightforward, and a lot less time consuming as well. With Chorus, that's even better. Now we have Source, which is one of our main starting points for specifying products and manufacturers. There's a lot of information there, and that filters down into things like the NBS library as well, where we have the actual BIM objects with that metadata loaded in there. So having that kind of platform available to us is invaluable for writing and drafting our specifications.
So we select a product, click a few buttons, out it pops into our NBS Chorus specification, and then it goes into our model, and it's ready made with all the size types. So there's no confusion or incorrect sizing of any products, because we have the suite right there. We can put that into our model. We can coordinate that quite quickly with the structural engineer, any apertures that we may need or whatever that may be. And then at the end of it all, we've got our specification there.